Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to again our online electrical course. Due to some technical issues, we are not coming in 1 week. So now we are prepared. Tomorrow too we are coming in continuous. Okay. So before we are completed in our basic safety and drawing knowledge. We are completing drawing knowledge. Now our topic is basic electricity. Before I will send you one video also. I hope you all of you are watch this video and more help to this class. Okay, so more help to this class. So basic electricity. Today our topic is basic electricity. Basic electricity. So this is the basic electricity. Basic electricity. We have take the knowledge of basic electricity. What is the electricity? We can take the knowledge of this one first. Basic electricity. Basic electricity is one kind of energy. Okay, which is not seen through our eyes. We can realize by testing and operating with equipment or device. So electricity is one kind of the energy. Same like energy. Okay, we cannot see in our eyes. We cannot see in our eyes, but we can realize when the some equipment and device are testing. When the some equipment and device are testing. Examples of, suppose this is light. Inside the room have the light. If you go to inside room, how to checking in there have the supply electricity or not. If you can on the switch, light is on, this means electricity is there. Same like that, if you check in one conductor by multimeter. This is the multimeter. If you checking in multimeter to conductor, you can find out there have the electricity or not. You can testing by tester, electrical tester. If you testing in electrical tester, there have the electricity or not, we can find, but we cannot see. So this means we can realize with testing and operating. Not in other. We can realizing when the device is testing and operating. Simple example of your house. You can check in there. Suppose you can go inside the room. There have inside your bulb or tube light. How do you check there is have the electricity or not? You can switch on. If you switch on, your tube light or bulb is on. This means there inside have the electricity. This inside have electricity. Okay. So switch on, light on. If the switch on, light is on, this means this inside have the electricity. No on, this means there have no electricity. So we can say that electricity is one kind of energy. We cannot see in our eyes, but we can realize when some equipment and device are testing and operating with multimeter, electrical tester or switch on off. We can testing by electricity is like that. Okay, so electricity is. So in this slide we can know that electricity is one kind of energy. We cannot see in our eyes, but we can realize when the electrical device and equipment are testing and operating. Okay, so clear about this one, electricity. Clear about the electricity, I hope. So you can write in your notes. Okay. Next one, electricity at house and assistance. So how to coming in electrician up to your house? How to coming electricity up to your house? So electricity is produced by power plant or generator. Okay, AC electricity. How to coming in your house, up to your house? So I will explain about this one. First, electricity is produced by power plant or AC generator. Okay, this inside have the AC generator. So produced by power plant. Produced by the power plant. Okay. AC generator means alternating current types generator. Okay. So first is coming in power plant. And power plant too we can give to transmission line. Primary transmission line. Primary transmission line to step of power transformer. So in power plant there is product AC electricity and there have a AC generator. So there to give the line supply primary transmitter to step down power transformer. Step of power transformer. Step of power transformer. Step up means this is 11 kV. Now this is coming in 42 kV. Okay, step up. You can check in this letter. If there is small letter and back is big size, this means you know this is the step up. So first 11 kV to 32 kV. Okay. And next one again transmission line. There is coming in primary transmission line to step down power transformer. Coming to step down power transformer. This is 132 kV to 32 kV, 33 kV. Okay. This is coming in 142 kV A to 33 kV. This is the step down. You see there is big digit 142 and this 143. This means this is the step down transformer. And this step down transformer is coming in secondary transmission line. So we have the line of three types of line: primary, secondary and distribution. Three types of line. So first line is primary transmission line. Okay, first step is primary transmission line to coming in transformer. Okay, and next one is first step of transformer. Then after one step down transformer and power receiving substation, and coming to power receiving substation. One substation is there. Okay, so all the supply is power is coming here, power receiving station, and then after there to again going to secondary transmission line. Secondary transmission line. This is secondary transmission line. This is by arrow. This one. This two is primary transmission line. Okay, so transmission line coming in 4 wire, 3 phase and neutral. Okay, and secondary line also coming in 4 wire, 3 phase with neutral. And secondary line, okay, power receiving station to coming in secondary transmission line to step down power transformer. Again coming in step down. So before 132 to 33 kV. Now 33 to 11 kV. Again going to down the line. Okay. So 33 kV. 43 kV to 11 kV. This means this is the step down. This is big, this is small. So this is the step down transformer. Okay, and then after this transformer primary distribution line, we are starting in primary distribution line. Primary distribution line, you can check, this is the primary distribution line. First one, primary transmission line. Okay, second one is secondary transmission line. Now third one is primary distribution line. Here too, power receiving station to coming in step down transformer. This transformer is 33 kV by 11 kV. So incoming is 43 kV and outgoing is 11 kV. And they are to coming in power substation. They are to in this transformer to through primary distribution lines. This transformer to through primary distribution line to coming in power substation. Power substation coming there. Primary distribution line. Okay. And next one, primary distribution line is running there. Again, power substation to primary distribution line is coming. These all are three phase. Three phase. All are coming in three phase. R, Y, D. Three phase. Wire is coming in this transmission line. Okay. And then after again step down distribution transformer. So this is the distribution transformer. This is 11 kV by 0.415 kV. So this is also step down transformer. And they are to going in secondary distribution line. So this means this kind of kilovolt voltage is using in domestic, in house, in building. 11 kV is not using. This is transmission line, only transmission line. This is distribution transmission line. But another one is okay. Next one is coming. This one. Okay. So you can say, you can found in there. Okay. So step down distribution transformer, this one coming 11 kV to 0.415 kV. Secondary, and here to this transformer to secondary distribution line is coming. This is going to your domestic purpose, industry purpose. Three phase with Newton, 415 volt or 240 volt, three phase 4 wire. So distribution line is going to three phase. This 11 kV transmission line transformer to convert the outgoing is 0.4115. Always this transformer to distribute in three phase. So if your house needs three phase, you can use the three phase all line, red, yellow, blue with Newton. If you no need only single phase need, you can take red, yellow, blue to any one phase. Okay, and neutral is common. You can take the neutral is common. This means three phase voltage is 415 volt. Okay, and single phase is 240 volt. As per your requirement, what types of voltages you want? Single phase line or three phase line? In maximum industries using in three phase. In house also, typical house, commercial house using in same like in three phase supply. But in using time, distribution time from distribution board to only single phase for single phase device and equipment, and three phase for three phase equipment. Suppose if your house inside some you using in three-phase motor, that time you can using in three-phase supply. Water pump only single phase. You can using in single phase. Single phase means one phase and one neutral. Phase and neutral is going there. Okay. So this is the system of power coming. First, how to coming up to your house. Power is how to coming up to your house. First, power plant. They have using in AC generator, and they are to starting in primary transmission line and coming in one transformer is using there. This is the step of power transformer. This is 11 kV by 32 kV, and again coming in step down 133 kV by 33 kV. Then power receiving station coming in power here, and then there to secondary transmission line is going. This is the secondary transmission line. Okay, 33 kV to 11 kV. Okay, and then after distribution line is starting. So up to this one, if product area to coming in your house, that time only you're coming in 415 volt 3 phase or 240 volt for 2 wires only single phase. Okay, so this is the system of the power. We cannot using in high voltage in our domestic or industrial area. We can using in only 415 volt. Product very big volt and big ampere in power plant, but we can using in voltage only 415 volt. This is 415 to sometime coming in 440 also. Okay, so you can write in your notebooks also. Okay. Yes.